This tutorial is for anyone who wants to add a credit in Kaui. The Add Credit feature is available depending on your user roles and permissions. Issuing a credit creates a credit memo. To issue a credit, go to the Account page and click Add Credit at the top of the Billing Info section. Enter an amount. Currency defaults from the customer account and should not need to be changed. Select a reason for the credit and enter any comments. Click Save, and the system generates the credit memo. For accounting purposes, the credit memo is saved with the customer's other invoices. Returning to the customer account page, you'll also see that the account balance reflects the added credit. Depending on the account's previous balance, the credit will either reduce the balance or provide a positive balance and apply to a future invoice. If there is no account balance, you'll also see an amount for account credit. For more information, please visit docs.killbill.io to learn more about Kaui, its features, and configurations.